ngayon po, ayusin natin yung LED light sa truck bed kasi po pumalpak na. Basically, ito pong switch na to, rusted na yung loob para sa LED strip na yon. So gagawin po natin ng bago. Meron po tayo dito na LED light. So lagay po natin dyan, ika-cut po natin to, pasok yan. Same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna replace this switch. Hindi na po ito gagamitin natin, bumili po tayo ng weatherproof. So once you push this, the ground will be no contact to the body, which is the ground of the vehicle. Let go, which is open like this, the ground will be having a direct contact to the body of the vehicle para po mag-on ng LED. So gawin po natin to. Okay, light. When I close the door, this button will be pushed, kills the light. Let's try that. Light. Yep. Okay, paano natin ginawa yon? Yung switch na yon. So this is how we did it, right? Battery, negative, positive, right? So what we did, we ran a wire from the positive going into the positive of the LED lights. LED lights, right? And then negative, this will be connected to the ground ng sasakyan po. And then the negative for this two are chained to each other, and then chained to each other, and then switch sa ground. Pagka nakabukas, magta-touch sa ground, mag-on ito. Diretso ng kumukuha ng power yan sa 12 volts. So continuous lang yan. Pagka kahit naka-off ang engine ng sasakyan, mag-on pa rin. Continuous pa rin. Ayan, basic wiring. LED, switch. When I open the door, it will trigger. Then when I close it, it'll be disconnected. No more contact, ground contact on each LED. Pero a positive continuous. Negative from the battery to the body of the body of the car. Positive goes directly to the positive and then chained up to the other one. See what I'm saying? And then ground, this is series together, and then ground to the body of the car with a kill switch. That's it. Basic wiring.